this tutorial, we're going to show you how to replace or change the ink cartridges for your HP DeskJet 4200 or HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. Now, both of these printers models use the number 67 ink cartridge, and we have got here the number 67 XL, which is the high yield ink cartridges for the tricolor as well as black cartridge. So let's prepare the ink cartridges by removing the ink cartridge from its packaging. So this is the black. Remove the tape. Take care not to touch the electrical contacts or even the nozzles. And the ink cartridges are ready to be installed. Now on the printer, open the front door as well as the cartridge access door. Take note of the carriage position. Remove the ink cartridges. So this is the setup cartridge that was originally installed. Load in the new ink cartridge as shown. Push it in and push it up. Do the same for the black ink cartridge. The cartridges are installed. Do take note of the carriage position. It needs to be in this position in order to load the ink cartridges correctly. If it is in this position, there will be an obstruction in loading the ink cartridges. You may close the ink access door and the printer will print an alignment page. So this is the alignment page that was just printed. You need to scan it by following on the instructions as shown. Align it to the top left hand corner. Then close the scanner lid. On the control panel, you can see an A on the LCD panel and the power button is also blinking. Simply press on either copy buttons to scan the alignment page. The alignment page is scanned once you see the LCD shows a 0 and the power button will stop blinking. So this is how you change or replace the ink cartridges for your HP DeskJet 4200 or HP DeskJet 2800 printer series.